Hello everyone, friends, on the Weller channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign into your Netflix account on your TV on Android TV. Accordingly, to do this, you first need to turn on the TV, which is what I am doing now. That's it. And here, accordingly, we have at the bottom, you see applications open. Here we need to open Netflix. That's the way it is, yes. We have it open, but you may have a different menu in general. The main thing is just to get here. That's it. And then click on this login button. That's it. But you may have it in another language. Here we press the central button and accordingly scan this QR code. That's it. Or accordingly, select the remote control here and enter your email address. So I entered my email and click the next button. Next, you will need to enter a password respectively, and accordingly, after logging into the password, I went to the account and clicked on the continue button, and accordingly we can use your Netflix. That's all. Weller was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.